Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, you know what, before I start, I just want to apologize for how the video is looking. To me it looks really busy and really colorful. Hence it's really difficult to focus on what I'm doing. So I'm so sorry. I think I would have to do this again. But I'm just gonna post this one so you can have an idea of what I'm doing. But I'm gonna make another video with like a plain background where you can actually see what I'm doing. So I hope you enjoyed regardless. So for this video, you're gonna be needing nail glue. You're gonna be needing nails. All the materials I got from Amazon. I'm also gonna link them on. You're also gonna be needing the little goldish stands to hold the nails. You're gonna be needing your nail polish, your nail file, and the nail polish I got from the Dollar Tree. So everything here is not more than $20. So I'm gonna put the link in the description like I said, and so you can get the materials if you're interested. So what I'm basically doing is, like you see the type of nail I got, I stick it onto the goldish thing. I'll just call it the nail holder. So I would stick it on to the nail holder with the green gluish thing. So when I do that, I take another nail of the same size and I glue it to the same nail. It's like I'm doing a double nail. It's basically a double nail. So as you can see, I'm gluing another nail on top of another nail just to make it sturdy and really thick, and so it wouldn't break and very firm. Sorry guys, pardon my words don't really sound okay tonight. This is like 2 a.m. in the morning, and yeah, I just feel this is like the best time to edit my videos. This is when my brain is actually calm. But again, sometimes I might just say trash, and then the next day when the video is already up, I'm like, oh wow, I said that. But it's okay. So that's just basically what I was doing. I just take, like you see, the nails come on two sides. So if you have like a size 5, you have two of size 5, two of size 5s. So what I do is I glue the two size 5s together just to make it thick. So in this case, you don't need an acrylic, you don't need gel. As long as the nail is thick and it's firm, all you have to do is just jump into the next step I'm going to be showing you. So this is where your nail file comes in handy. Sometimes you might see that the under nail is sticking out compared to the nail you put on top. So all you do is just file it so they can all be on the same length and so they can be equal on the sides as well. So guys, the next and easiest step is just to paint. All you have to do is just apply your nail polish on top of the already, you know, glued double nails and just leave to dry. In this point, you can do like different designs, you can do different colors. You don't have to think about the acrylics, you don't have to think about, you just don't have to think about the whole excess, thing. All you have to do is just glue the glue the nails together, which is a double nail, and paint it. So if you have like designs you want to do, like the butterflies, you can all add it. I have all those, so I'll probably make a video. I'll probably add those to my next video so you guys see how I do it. But for this particular nail, I just wanted it plain. Yeah, so that's just what I did for all of them. Just painted and leave them to dry. Since I got these colors from the Dollar Tree, I had to double coat because it seemed to be light. So I tried to coat 2 times, or you can coat 3 times. But I think the thicker you go, the harder it is to dry. So I just advise going lighter on the application of the polish. And also, I also got this dry fast. It's also like it's just used as a base coat. So it helps, just keep the polish shiny and just makes it dry fast, I guess. So yeah, that's what I'm just going to be doing all through. So guys, I just let it dry for about 30 minutes, and then I just and yeah, if you see that I'm missing my pinky nails, yes guys, I couldn't find my other nail holder, so I just had to do the pinky nails when I was done with like the 4 fingers. So one more apology, I didn't know that I wasn't in focus in this part, so all I was just doing was filing my nails, you know, just to make it a little just to make my nails a little rough, the surface, before I applied the nail glue. And for nail glues, I use the KDS. In my opinion, it's like the best glue out there. When I used to go to like the, you know, the shops, that's actually the glue they use. So I buy this on Amazon. I think it's like $5.99 for like 10, for like a pack of 10 or something like that. So yeah, I try to mix the KDS with another glue I got from Macy's, and it's also really strong. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make like a more organized video after this, and I'm so sorry for the, you know, I'm so sorry for all the mix-ups and all the misinformations, but yeah, just pardon me guys. So after you let your nails dry, all you have to do is just apply them to your fingers, and you're good to go. Your press-on is ready. The good thing about this, it is reusable, so if it falls off, you can just pick it up and glue it back. And at this point, that's why you need to get like a very good glue. So I recommend the KDS glue. So guys, that's it for now. I will be making another good video, a better video, I promise. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for, you know, staying tuned to the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.